in Sichuan province, southwestern China. If successful, it will be a milestone in China's exploration of space, as it is carrying the country's first lunar rover, which will explore the surface of the moon. The launch is expected in just a few minutes. Now, let's cross over to the launch site in Xichang. Now, we can see this is live from China's Xichang Satellite Launch Center, where China's Chang'e-3 lunar probe is about to launch. Chang'e-3 will carry China's first lunar rover Yu-2 to the moon, where it will explore the surface. The probe was named after Chang'e, an ancient Chinese moon goddess, and the rover Yu-2 means jade rabbit. And now it's the countdown to ignition. The lunar probe will land on the moon in mid-December if everything goes on plan. Now it's about to start. What we're watching now is Long March 3D rocket blasting off from its launching pad. It carries Chang'e-3 lunar probe together with a moon rover with its mission to make a soft landing on the moon. We have a lift of the rocket. It seems we have a perfect liftoff so far. And this is regarded as the key phase of China's lunar probe program, and it is also the most difficult task in China's exploration of space. Now we can see it seems going on pretty smoothly. China's Chang'e-3 lunar probe follows two previous launches of Chang'e lunar satellites, which are named after a Chinese moon goddess. It is a second phase of China's lunar program, which includes orbiting, landing, and returning to Earth. And China's scientists have made some breakthroughs about technologies on the Chang'e-3 mission, which will be the most difficult and complicated task yet in China's exploration of the space. So the Chang'e-3 and the lunar rover are on their way. After 130 seconds, everything goes pretty smoothly so far. So after its launch, and if everything goes well, the spacecraft and the moon rover it carries will travel in the space for nearly a fortnight before it touches the lunar surface. What will happen when they get there? Well, the Chang'e-3 lunar lander will take the jade rabbit down to the surface. If the lander makes it down safely, then the rabbit has a lot of tasks to perform using its specialized instruments. And here's an overview of the mission from this point until the lander makes it to the surface.
The Chang'e-3 mission is the second phase, and also the key phase of China's lunar probe program, which includes orbiting, landing, and returning to Earth. Chinese scientists have made technological breakthroughs in the Chang'e-3 mission, which is the most advanced and difficult task yet in the history of China's exploration of space. Many technologies will be used to ensure the probe makes a soft landing in low-gravity conditions. According to the mission plan, the lunar probe will slowly descend to about 100 meters above the Moon's surface and move horizontally so as to avoid obstacles, then descend onto a flat surface of the Moon. During that time, it will scan and analyze the surface automatically. The U-2 rover carries 3 science missions: the Moon's surface topography and geological structure probe, material components and available resources detection, as well as Earth plasmasphere probe and lunar-based optional observation. The lunar program will also make breakthroughs in remote control in space between the Moon and Earth. High-precision observation and control technologies, as well as lunar positioning, will be used during the mission, which includes experiments that would be extremely difficult to conduct on Earth's surface. Scientists have simulated the Moon's soil environment in a lab and tested the rover, but the rover will still face challenges on its real mission, including temperature differences of over 300 degrees Celsius on the Moon.
It'll take them a couple of days to get to the Moon. Until then, check back with CNC to get the latest on the Chang'e-3 mission. And that's going to do it for our live coverage of the launch. I'm Xichang in Beijing. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned to CNC World.
This is CNC World, a new perspective.